going to jump out of a perfectly good plane today. Tell everyone your name.
Hey, my name is Lajlao.
Lajlao.
I'm the Uber driver for Mr. Dayton.
A lot of y'all that know me know that I love jumping out of planes. And this would be jump number 5.
Wow.
Number 5. So we got a nice little 48-minute drive. See, this is what happens when you find out your Uber driver can speak a little Portuguese.
Yeah. Eu falo português, sou angolano, vivo em Cape Town.
Ei,
sim.
Eu sou americano, mas eu falo também.
Ah, né? Que bom, que
Estamos
legal.
Irmãos.
Que legal.
Yeah. So we're going to Skydive Cape Town. We'll probably go up to about 10,000 feet.
Oh, wow, I'm scared.
3,000. What are you scared of? Driving is more scary than skydiving.
Really?
Yeah. Skydiving is life-changing, whether you live or die. Oh. Alright, so we're here at the Skydive facility, Skydive Cape Town. About to get registered and jump out of a plane. Let's go.
How you doing, man?
I'm good.
I'm John. Nice to meet you.
John, nice to meet you.
Welcome.
That's where all the magic happens.
Second, you're gonna go last. So once it's our turn, the tandem instructor is swinging his left leg out. There's a little step next to the plane looking similar to this. Like, the head's gonna be on our shoulders. As soon as we're out, you try to kick our butts with your feet. So this way, your head is up, your feet are up, you got this U shape like a banana. We're free falling for 30 to 35 seconds. It's a lot quicker than that. So your main mission for the skydive is to keep your eyes open, enjoy, and we will take care of the rest. Easy. For the landing, most important thing is that you lift up your feet as high as you can. So just before we land over here, you saw the people landing. 5 meters above the ground, we say legs up. You do it like this, and you only stand if you say stand. If you don't say anything, you keep your feet up for the landing. Then we're going to be sliding, and therefore we need to touch down first, and then it's. I'm gonna give, what's your name again?
Dayton.
Dayton, I'm gonna give Dayton the goggles and your instructors will give the goggles to you. Any questions?
Great. No.
Cool. There you go.
Figure it out. Figure it out.
I'm all fitted, ready to rock and roll. Just gonna get a couple more people ready, and then it's off and up and out and down safely. Let's get it.
Hello, lovely people. How are you doing?
We're doing great. This is jump number 5. First time in the continent, first time in South Africa. just landed. That was an amazing jump. Jump number 5 for me. It was all I expected to be. Definitely a bucket list to jump in another country. So mission completed. Shout out to Skydive Cape Town. If you're ever in the country, ever in the city, check it out. And if you like jumping out of planes. Peace.
I was like, wow.
So I'm coming down. See, I made it.
Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.